Hey, did you know that a single molecular complex is responsible for making the air breathable and all life on Earth possible? It's this guy right here, Photosystem II, a gorgeous structure made of metal, light-sensitive pigments, and proteins to hold it all together. PS2 is in every single leaf, blade of grass, and cyanobacteria on Earth. This is the machine that kicks off photosynthesis by using light energy to zap water molecules apart. It uses some of those pieces to help make energy, but it just kicks the oxygen out of the system, which just makes the air breathable. Not only does this steal sunlight to make air for us, it's also what creates the ozone layer, the protective barrier that keeps us safe from the deadly cancer gun that is our sun. Life couldn't exist on the surface of Earth without it. This is the machine that powers all life on Earth, and it is beautiful. The process by which this happens and the implications of what it does are a little bit more complex though, and I need more time to go into it.